So you got your lights set up, you got the cameras on. How do we capture a compelling frame? So let's talk about one of the more prominent guidelines of framing, the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a grid with 3 rows and 3 columns that helps guide the viewer's eyes, and it's a great rule to follow to maintain a balanced composition. So take how I am placed in the frame for example. I am placed in the center column because on our frame we have balance on both sides. My head is in the top panel because we didn't want too much headroom. Headroom is defined as the space between the top of your head and the top of the frame. A good rule to follow is the 2 or 3 finger rule. You place 2 or 3 fingers on top of your head, and that should tell you how much headroom you should give. This is definitely something you can eyeball with ease. Just make sure you don't cut off your subject's head or give them too much headroom. Let's talk about lead room. Lead room is the amount of space you give in front of your subject depending on which way they are talking or which way they are facing. If I'm looking left, give me more space on the left. If I'm looking right, give me more space on the right. That's lead room. It's that simple. Now, there are times when you're going to break these rules. For example, when you have a close-up on someone's face, you are going to cut off the top of their head. And you can give less lead room to show the audience that the character is feeling trapped inside that frame. There are so many ways to compose a frame. The most important thing to remember is to guide your viewer's eyes to evoke a specific emotion. Comment down below what you would like to learn about next, and let us know if this was a good tip for you.